how to do SFS on Snapchat. So if you want to do SFS on Snapchat, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So basically SFS means Snapchat for Snapchat or Snap for Snap. So this is when someone shout out to your Snapchat account on their story and they asked you to do the same, then you do SFS. So for that you just have to take a photo of something. For example, let me take the photo of this appearance, and after doing that you have to tap over the text and you just have to tap over the @ and you have to mention the person who have asked you to do SFS. For example, if it's a person who is asking for SFS, then you just have to mention the person over here and you can enter them on your stories. And by doing that, the friends on my Snapchat will be able to view the profile of the person and her ID will be shout out, where she will be able to reach out to various person, and also her followers will be increased. And that's actually how SFS is done and what SFS do. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.